got documents. Mishap from last week is, well, it was very risky. Took the risk, we failed. I got documents this time though. Hopefully won't download the wrong documents again. Nothing's dangerous. We don't know what it is. We know it's something, or a part of something, very big. We don't know what it could do. It could kill a city. Blow it up, kill everybody, take it for its own. We don't know. We don't know if it's sentient, we don't know if it's smart, we don't know how dangerous it is. I have documents, is all that matters. How long will it take to download? 2 weeks?
Anyone displaying symptoms of SCP-682 needs to be terminated at once. You know that, right? I'll send the documents your way. Time to go get some documents. Oh.
Get this to download. You're just hurting both of us.
Don't walk closer. No.
Let me see if it's still.
No.